On this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp not working after updating in less than 1 minute. First thing, open the settings, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps on this page, you will find all the apps that you have. Scroll until you find Instagram and click on it. Now all what you want to do here is click on this force stop and then go to the storage, click on clear data and then click on delete. Go back, click on this data usage option here, make sure to disable all the options and enable them back again. Now go back to the settings of your phone, go to the wireless and networks, go to the Wi-Fi, disable it, and after 5 seconds enable it back again. Now the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later. Thank you so much.